This morning, we're gonna do a day in the life of a fleet mechanic. If y'all don't know by now, my name is Pete, and I work on the fleet. And on this wonderful day in South Georgia, it's 28 degrees. They want to replace the alternator, and I think we're gonna go ahead and replace all the other belts, because they're old. It's cold. Gotcha, baby. All right, so we got it unbolted, got everything loose, got the wires out of the way, I got my hot wire taped up. I think I'm gonna have to cut this and unbolt this to get that alternator off, because it don't want to come out nowhere. I wish I would have got that on camera. I don't know how I got that thing out of that little hole. Anyways, we're gonna go to the parts store. We're gonna get us another one and some new belts. We're definitely gonna change this belt because it is coming apart. Got my wrenching sticker on there. Loose as a goose. Steering pump out of the way. We got that belt off. We got this one loose. We're gonna have to go to the other side, take the fan loose, get them belts off to get that belt off. What did we get done so far?
Alternator off, belt off.
Then we got to go get new ones, and then we're going home. We're gonna call it a day. Hell with this place. So we went to the parts store. They didn't have what we needed. We got a belt, didn't have no alternator. New belt, about to put it on. And then we got to figure out where we're going to get an alternator from for this dinosaur. So we got all this side put back together. We're just waiting on the alternator. It'll be here tomorrow. Now we got a driver sitting at the store. So he's got a tire off the rim on the low boy. So that's what we're about to do. All right. Mr. Jimbo done blowed the tire out, but we're not going to blame him because he got me a blue dude. Should we plug it or not? Well, we got it aired up and plugged, but he's going to go by the shop and get 2 tires put on it. It needs it. Anyways, off to the next one. All right, had to come to the shop to regroup and eat some lunch. We got to go do a set out truck, braze the airline. I got 2 trailers to work on. So I'm going to need 2 drums, 2 brakes, 2 slack adjusters. I think that was it. I think I got the equalizers in my truck, so let's get it. Well, guys, I brazed that up. I forgot to record it because I was talking with the crew, but used our fancy brazing rod, brazed it up, done got to put it back on. Now we're about to go down the road and put the brakes and slack adjusters and all that kind of stuff on a trailer. All right, so this is what we got going on. That one's got to have a spring and equalizer. That one already fixed the other day. This one's got to have 2 brakes, 2 drums, 2 slack adjusters, 2 tires, and an equalizer housing. Because it's a little bit braketed. Like I said, I'd come out here to work on that axle and fix this hanger right here. But I'm so thankful that I do what I do and find this stuff when I find it. Because when I laid them tires up here, I bumped this hub. It's loose. So that's a perfect example of why I come out here and check all these trailers out daily. It's what I do 90% of the time. Bump tires, check brakes, fix lights, keep this stuff safe so y'all can go home to your family every day. So we're using 4707s. Got our little hook moodabbies. Never can get that right. Our rollers. And our big spring. I use a screwdriver. So we grease all of our hubs. Every time we put a new brake on, take the cap off, squirt some more grease in it, or make sure it's good. So that is what I'm about to do. Alright, as you can see, I pumped it until the grease come out the bearings. It's coming out the front, you know it's hitting the back. So alright, so I got the hanger welded back up, about to put the drum, put them wheels and tires on, adjust this brake, and then check that hub out. So all we gotta do is adjust them. I already got the other side adjusted. Automatics, half a turn off. Manuals, 3/8 of a turn. Last thing we got to do today, because we only got 30 more minutes of work, put these 2 tires on, and then that trailer will be done. Now I'll probably just do that one tomorrow. Whew. Well, I am pooped, and as you can tell by the sunlight on my beautiful face, it's time to go home. We got that done. We didn't do the slack adjusters because they were fine, just the pin was out, so, but they were good. Done that, the 2 brakes, 2 tires, checked that hub, it was good. And equalizer housing, oh man. All right, anyways, but I'll be back tomorrow and we'll do the other one, the spring and the equalizer. See you on the next one. Make sure you like and follow. Love you, bye.